It's a video presentation of the Haas SL-10. This does have a tailstock, tool presetter, and a parts catcher on it. We have all the tooling, manual, chip shoot, and the foot pedal with the foot pads, the leveling pads. It does have the floppy. We'll go around the back after we're done here. I've got the spindle running right now. Okay. Next we'll go ahead and simulate a turret change. And then next we'll go ahead and run it through its paces here. We'll start with the Z-axis. And then we'll do the X-axis. We'll go ahead and walk around the back.